Easy Pony Tech, my name's Girl 17. Today I'm going to be recording my goats. And as I said in my Legends MLP Part 4, it's uploading right now. I'm pre-recording stuff. So this will be uploaded as soon as I'm done with it. Oh, and this is Baby. That's Ward and Bam Bam out there. And as such, they are very boring. All they do is sit there. So screw you! Dang it. Baby, go. Go. Cool, you guys, this goat right here. This is as big as she can get, by the way. She is a real pain. Don't you headbutt me. Come. Go down in the yard. Go. Yard. Now. There we go. Now I got her fanny moving. Sorry if this video is boring for you guys. This is all I can think of. Look at that sun. Oh my god. I just now noticed the aurora that it puts on my phone. Grazing in the meadow. I'm grazing in the meadow. Grazing in the meadow. Hip, 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 hip. Got some food for your butt munches. Meh. 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 Come on, dummies. Meh. 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 Ooh, God, that hurt. Meh. 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 Access to you guys. So the goats are in my backyard right now, which is where they always are before they escape, and we have to shove them back in this fence. Like seriously, my backyard is just covered in goat feces. Come on, guys, let's go and go watch these goats. This is my food. Get away from me. Remember, you let Ward eat. Pretty flower do. Look at Baby. Can I make a zoom? I can't zoom in. Cool, you guys, I'm using my phone. I have to use the bathroom, guys. Hey, guys, watching the goats is gonna get boring. So let's go on and go record the dogs. No, I'm recording the dogs and muscles and stuff. Cool, you guys, look. We got little muscle pats. They aren't very exciting. It just is very boring watching them. I just thought I would show them. Oh, and this is my little puppy, Star. Say hi, Star. The Star probably follows me everywhere. Like, look.
Ellie don't have any.
Oh, and this is Ava. I know Belle's around here somewhere. Oh, Belle.
Don't turn the washer on.
Okay. Belle. Alright, guys, this will take a while to find that dog. But guys, let's go to the backyard and see and let the dogs out. Come on, dogs! Outside! Up there's Belle. She looks just like Ava. Like, that my. Oh, and there's Jack, River's dog. Eats squirrels. So does Abe. Like, I found one, like, there's a squirrel in the fence. It's one of his eyes are out. And there's a little bell. Oh, looking more. Hello, War. Cool, you guys, sometimes they go hump each other. Yeah, they're boys, and they hump each other. Up, that little white one back there is Cubby. Oop, there's Belle. Look, you guys need to get a better view of Belle, so here she is. A little black furry dog. Whenever we have hay around, I'm gonna get you, little greasy butterball. I basically cover Belle in, like, hay and then chase her around the house. And around the yard. Cubby, come here. Cubby, come here. Cubby, come here. This one right here is Cubby. He's very beat up. Oh, guys, and if I have a black guy, if I have two black guys, I don't know how I got them, so just ignore them, okay? But Cubby, he urinates on everything. Little baby. So anyway, let's go and go watch the muscle for the rest of the time. Actually, I want you to see the white entity that comes out of the shell. Sorry about my rambling in this. It's just that I ramble a lot. Now here they are. Let me just get one out. Here's what a mussel looks like. Now they are river mussel. I know they look like clams, but they're not. Ow, it's biting me. So yeah, we're not boiling them. We're keeping them alive.